Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, guys, 6th generation between year 2015 to year 2023. If you guys need to find where the fuse for the exhaust valve is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today, why it's super important to test fuses so you don't waste your money, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays. All that will be covered today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So we, guys, have the 5.0 GT right here, 2018, but it could work on other engine modifications as well. We're going to go ahead, open the hood, support it. Now let's go ahead and explain. Okay, we're talking about the exhaust valve, guys, fuse. Okay, so let's go ahead and explain, okay, where that fuse will be located now. So if we come right here, we're going to open the hood, and once you open your hood, you will see that's a fuse box. The fuse box, you need to press here, pull up, and it will come up just like that. Here, that fuse layout and the numbers here corresponds to what we have specifically in that fuse box here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So which fuse, guys, we need to check now? If you come in that row right here, you can see that row of 5 fuses. That's the row right here. We'll need to check fuse number 34. I'm talking about that fuse 34, which is fuse number 1, 2, 3. That third fuse, guys, okay, will be the one for the exhaust valve. So check it out. That will be the fuse that you will need to check on your Ford Mustang for the exhaust valve specifically. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.